Hello friends, welcome to my blog Sahla Parveen, and today I'm going to speak about a beautiful topic and a different topic. Why I stopped using fairness creams. Okay, so the people who are not interested to listen to this topic, you can stop watching now. So I was not very much bothered about beauty, but still, as like a normal any girl, I used to take care of skin. That's what we used to think, and I used to use a normal fairness cream. I think it was Olay. I used to use till maybe last 1.5 years back. I stopped using any kind of fairness creams or any kind of fairness products in my life. So I just want to say what made me that triggering factor. So I was not very much bothered about my skin or the color or anything, but I mean, at least I didn't realize that I was also bothered for a certain amount about my skin. I used to go once in a while to beauty parlor. I used to use a normal cream. Maybe if there is a function, I used to apply some cream and everything. So I just want to say why I stopped, and also what is my right now skincare routines that I do. Very simple practice. So see, maybe like 1 year back, that was an incident that happened in my life, or I saw that triggered me or gave me a realization about how we think about our color, skin, and though I was not bothered, even in my mind there was a little bit of that complexion kind of that factor about fair or not fair kind of thing that I think every Indian have, because we are so much used to listen to this thing that our subconscious mind is fed that fair is beautiful, dark is not beautiful. We are being fed with this thought constantly that as by the grace of God, I was born in a very a good family. That I mean, good family in the sense of people who are not really bothered about skin, but still in between all that, even I got that I want to be fair, fair is beautiful kind of thought. So it happened that like 1 year back or something like that, I was with a family, and one of my friend who was kind of quite fair, and her daughter was having a maybe not fair skin tone, maybe a little bit darker skin tone. She had a wheatish skin tone, and her little daughter, maybe 1 year old, she had a little darker skin tone. So every time when people saw my friend, friends used to tell, she's going to become fair when she becomes big. You apply that on her face, you apply this on her face, you do that skincare routine, manjal, chandanam, all that things, that the baby is going to get fairer when she becomes big. All these advices without even asking, or without, she was not really bothered, but everyone used to keep on telling her she's going to get her mother's color when she's going to be big, or when baby was born she was fair and now she became dark, but it's okay, she's going to regain. So when I heard this thought, I was just looking at the baby girl's face, and she was very happy. She was very happily sitting and playing. She was 1 year old. She was not bothered about what people are telling about her. So her happiness, that dark-skinned beautiful girl's happiness, was equal as a fair-skinned girl's happiness at that point of time. But maybe when she is going to become a 3-year or 4-year, when she starts to understand things, when people keep on telling in front of her that she is going to become fair, she is going to become beautiful, she will start feeling that she is not beautiful right now with her skin. And that is what is happening to, I think, almost all the girls, mostly to the girls or boys in our country or people around us, that when they are small, they are told that they are going to become fair, or use this, you are going to become fair, and that's actually going to affect their confidence level. Many girls message me that my skin is not good, I am not beautiful, people don't love me. So this is something you feed yourself and you start believing it. that world around you start reflecting that to you. And Indian industries, after that I did a big research, a study about the fairness cream industry in India. It is deep inside each one of us there is a complex feeling that fair people are beautiful. And that is what are this fairness cream people selling in our mind? They are actually feeding us a pain, and they are actually giving us a medicine to heal it. So each Fair and Lovely ad or any fairness cream ad, it is just showing that a dark skinned girl is facing a lot of problem in her life, like confidence level is not there, people are not looking at her, she is not getting a job, and once she apply a fairness cream and becomes fair, all are going to love her. So this is a thought we are constantly feeding in our life, and knowingly or unknowingly, even I was one person who was using a fairness cream till that time. But when I saw that little girl smiling and seeing her confidence level, I thought I will never use a fairness cream in my life. And I realized the beauty is not in the fairness cream. If you really love yourself, you need to just love the way you are, love the way your skin looks, love the way your body looks. Of course, you need to take care of your health, you need to take care of your skin, but not, that fairness is not the beauty. There are wonderful Africans who are beautiful, wonderful. So the beauty, what's inside, will reflect into your life, into your skin and everything. So that's a point when I stopped using any kind of fairness products as such. See, now also I write my eyes. I do have one lipstick, just one color lipstick I do wear once in a while. I just have one eyeliner. I don't have a big collection. And skin, I don't do anything. I just use coconut oil once in a while before I bath, virgin coconut oil. That's the only product that I use on my skin. That's just to maintain the that moisture in my skin. Other than that, I stopped using any kind of chemicals, and I feel much better than before. My skin is a wheatish color now. I don't know, the color that you see in the screen is maybe more fair because light is there around, but I am quite happy and very confident about my skin and the way I look. So once you start loving yourself the way you are, I think you are going to really, glowing in front of yourself and others. So it's basically your character that reflects the way you look. So that's how I stopped using any kind of chemicals on my body. And I do recommend to all the people around me that don't use any kind of unnecessary chemicals. I do have a sunscreen that once in a while I wear when I go to very hot sun. Other than that, nothing, just plain, my skin is happy with the way it is. So when you go to hot sun, yeah, sometimes you need a sunscreen. Other than that, coconut oil, it's something natural, it's something close to my skin. I'm very lazy to do anything else on my skin, and I'm happy the way it is. So what I want to communicate here is, whatever color your skin is, just love it the way it is. Like that baby girl smile, she was confident about her skin because no one told her that at least she's not able to understand that what the world is telling around her. Don't believe what others are saying, just believe what your heart is saying. You are just amazing the way you look. So your confidence level should start from yourself. See, you can use any makeup or anything if you like, but that should not be because you feel you are ugly. If you want to enhance your beauty, if you want to feel good about yourself, use anything you like. I'm not saying it's wrong, but what I'm saying is it should not be because you feel bad about yourself. It should not be because you want to hide something. I do write my eyes because I like it. I like to feel good. And even if I wear any makeup or if I don't wear any makeup, what dress I wear, it doesn't matter on the level of confidence. However, the way you see me, wherever you see me, I am confident about the way I look and my dressing and my skin and everything. So that's the attitude I want you to have in your life, to have a happy and beautiful life. So there may be you yourself, and there there may be a lot of kids around you. So if they are not fair, or if they are having a wheaty skin or a dark skin tone, just give them confidence that they are beautiful, just amazing in their skin, and help them to grow the way they are. Help them to love themselves they are. Don't try to change them. Don't try to help the fairness companies to become bigger, but let the people around us feel much better about themselves. Thank you so much. Love you all.